how to zip a zipper together. Are you ready? Zip, zip, zipper time. Let's learn how to zip in rhyme. Find the zipper, take a peek. It's down low and near your cheek. First step, find the bottom. Zip, zip, hold it still. Zippers need a steady will. Take the zipper's tiny tail, push it in like on a rail. Put the point in the pocket, like a puzzle. Zip, zip, now grab tight with your fingers left and right. One hand holds and one hand zips. Pull it up with gentle grips. Pull it up, nice and slow. Zipper zoom when you let go. Pull it high, stop at the top. Now your zipper's zipped and pop. Zip it down and zip again. Try it once and then again. Zip it low and zip it high. Zipper zoom like planes that fly. Say zip it in, zip it in. Say hold it tight, hold it tight. Say pull it up, pull it up. Zip just right, zip just right. Zip, zip, zipper pro. Now you really know the show. Find the bottom, push it through. Pull it up, that's how you do. Great job zipping